Welcome to the new ABOG Portal. This short video will highlight key elements of what we refer to as My Dashboard. When you log in, you'll land on your custom dashboard. All your personalized status information and tasks will reside on this main page. Notice under the title, My Dashboard, you'll see the specific MOC cycle and year that you're currently in. On the top half of the page are a set of graphics that will contain your personal information, such as your article progress, article score, and your performance pathway running average. Clicking on any graphic will direct you to a page where you can complete that task or to a page with more details. Under the graphics is a list of your certification tasks, where all the tasks that you're required to complete for your annual MOC program will reside. Clicking on a pending task will take you to the page where you may complete that task. You also have the ability here to hide completed tasks or make them visible again. If you have an additional role with ABOG, such as an examiner or program director, you'll see an additional tab here titled Administrative Tasks. This tab will house tasks related only to your additional ABOG role, like watching an exam preparation video if you're an examiner. In the top right corner where your name is listed, you'll find a menu. In this menu, you can access your profile and a section called My Files. On your profile page, you can change your password or email and update your personal information, including your address, phone number, medical licenses, and medical schools. Under My Files, you'll find previous year's documents like payment receipts and reference to completed tasks, such as an application summary. If you want to get back to the dashboard, you can use the dashboard button in the menu or simply click on the ABOG Portal logo in the top left corner. If you'd like to go to the ABOG public site, click on the abog.org button above the menu. This concludes our video tutorial about the new ABOG Portal dashboard. If you'd like to watch more tutorials about other sections of the new portal, visit the links below in the description of this video or visit our YouTube channel.